I'm a total Mumbaikar. I love eating out. I love the sugarcane juice. पारसी खाना, सली बोटी, धनसाक, है ना? Oh ho, chicken farsha. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. Can we stop? Can I go and have my lunch?
So joining us on Mumbai Meri Jaan, we have this Mumbai girl, the beautiful Isha Kopikar.
Thank you.
So what are your earliest memories of the city?
Beautiful, much cleaner, more organic, definitely. Less traffic, no gadgets, but still a lot of connectivity.
Yeah.
I was in Dadar Parsi Colony. I used to go to Shivaji Park for my gymnastics. Though I was not that great at gymnastics, I started basketball. So I'm a full Dadar and Mahim girl. My house was in Mahim.
Okay.
After that, we shifted to Prabhadevi. I'm a total Mumbaikar. I love eating out. I love the sugarcane juice. We used to, I remember every second day in my May summer vacation, after my cycling, I would go there chupchap with my friends. And तब बहुत 2 रुपए, 3 रुपए, 4 रुपए, 5 रुपए में मिलता था. तो एक इतना बड़ा glass, yummy. And we used to have that. There was a place called Ganga Vihar where I used to stay in Karnataka, near Karnataka Society. वहाँ जाके dosa, upma. I'm a Mangalorean.
Yeah.
So I love dosa, upma, idli. वड़ा नहीं खाती थी क्योंकि मम्मी पापा बचपन से ही ना, because my father is a doctor.
हाँ.
तो वो थोड़ा एक हेल्थ का थोड़ा रखा था सिस्टम. आज तक मैं नहीं खाती मेदू वड़ा. कैन यू बिलीव इट? एल्को.
हाँ.
एल्को की पानी पूरी, एल्को की पाव भाजी, एल्को का चाट, सब कुछ. Everything there. Then Fashion Street, I used to go shopping straight from college. I was in Jai Hind. Then my school was in Dadar Parsi Colony. There was a place called Yezdiyar there, if I remember. Parsi khana, sali boti, dhansak. Oh ho, chicken farsha. आप मेरे मुंह में क्यों, आप ये सब क्यों पूछ रहे हैं मुझे? वैसे अभी फिलहाल तो मेरी डाइटिंग चल रही है. मैं सिर्फ खाने को देख सकती हूँ. I'm a seafood diet. I can only eat seafood. No, joking. मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ. मैं खा पी के खुश हूँ. These are my childhood memories. Then there was a place called Lima, Lima, where I used to go for Chinese with my father. There was a place called Chinese Corner. There was a place called Red Sun near Plaza Dadar. Lima used to be in Mahim again, near the bus depot. वहाँ Chinese used to be favorite. आज भी Chinese is my favorite. Chinese, Japanese, Thai is my favorite, and Indian. आज, of course, there are a lot of places. There's one in South Mumbai called Wasabi. There are lots of little places here called Izumi, and there's lots of places now. इतने restaurants आ गए हैं कि ऐसे बहुत restaurants हैं जहाँ मैं गई नहीं हूँ.
हाँ.
Yet to explore.
And as we know, you started modeling really early. So what were your shopping haunts back then?
Nothing much. I was very focused on my work. I actually started shopping. Can I be very honest?
Yeah.
After I got married.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, really. I never used to shop so much earlier. Honestly, all these brands started coming in much later.
Yeah.
Globalization जो है वो बहुत
हाँ.
बाद में हुआ. Now I shop when I'm traveling more. I don't shop much here. Here I shop, of course, for Indian designers and Indian looks and Indian wear. And when I go abroad, I go mad.
And when you are abroad, so what do you miss about the city the most?
My food. Indian khana, biryani, butter chicken, saag paneer, jeera rice, roti, dahi raita. London is one place where my brother-in-law stays. He has a house, so we have cooks. Thank God. Otherwise, if you go to all these Far East places, किधर मिलेगा? वहाँ तो जाते के साथ soya sauce and black bean sauce. So that's all you eat. But I can't do that for too long. Though I love Thai, though I love Japanese, though I love Chinese, मुझे मेरा Indian खाना चाहिए. Even basic दूधी की सब्जी, रोटी और घर का दाल तड़का चलेगा, but I need it. You know what I mean? I'm like full desi in that way.
And now, of course, being a mom, so does your daughter take you to certain places where she enjoys hanging out with you?
Yeah, she loves hanging out. She also is a full Jap fan. She loves Japanese. She loves Indian, thank God. That's totally me. So whenever we go abroad, She wants butter chicken, kali dal,
हाँ.
and सूखा चावल. So we have to locate Indian restaurant कहाँ पे है आसपास, क्योंकि कभी भी आ सकता है, you know, order. कभी भी रियाना बोल सकती है, रियाना क्या, रियाना की माँ ही बोल सकती. So we have to locate one place. मैं घर से ठेपले बना के लेके जाती हूँ. कुछ नहीं तो वो तो खाऊं, और ठेपले ऐसे बनाते हैं हम लोग विदाउट एनी कांदा एंड एनीथिंग, सो दैट इट उसकी लॉन्जिविटी, शेल्फ लाइफ बेसिकली बढ़ जाती है. नॉर्मली वी डोंट गो फॉर मोर देन 20 days. तो कम से कम 10 दिन तो घर की याद आए तो एक ठेपला रोल करके खा सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं हम लोग.
You also have a lovely home. So are you also into home decor and all these little things?
I am, but this the house is huge. A lot of families live in the house. So in this house, I have my elder brother-in-law, my younger brother-in-law. So we have about 4 families. My in-laws, we all live here together. So we have our own private areas.
Huh.
This is a little heritage as you see it, but I like a mix of conventional and heritage. I like it a little more modern.
So, which is also really rare. We don't really see joint families in today's age. So, was that like, were you always, that family person who wants to keep family close? And
Yeah, I come from a nuclear family. Of course, my granny used to live with us, my dadi. But other than that, my father is the only child. He has no siblings. So I always missed a joint family. But then, joint family has its pros and cons.
Yeah.
So you really need nice people around for it to be nice. If you don't have very nice people around, then there's a problem.
And lastly, if any person had to visit Mumbai, so which are the 5 recommendations that they should definitely do or see in the city?
But right now, in fact, one of my friends had come down from Kochi and I told him that he had to go to Shivaji Park to see the lights there. In fact, I put it up on my Instagram as well, on my social media. Beautifully done this time, because after the 2.5 years of pandemic, people finally got out, in Diwali. This year's Diwali was really, really fantastic. So every place was decorated. Wherever I went, there were lights, 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 lights. So I think if it continues to be this way, then people should come during Diwali to see what Diwali is all about. Other than that, the Gateway of India, the entire Kolaba space, where there's Fashion Street, and there are a lot of those little fountain area, and there's that Royal Cafe, Leopold. Then they should definitely go to theatres and watch single theatres, not multiplexes. जाके वो एक बार experience करना चाहिए कि वो कैसा है. बाद में आप भले multiplex जाओ, and multiplex is also beautiful now.
Yeah.
The reclining chairs and the food and Khaugali.
Of course, yeah.
JVPD is also nice, but आजकल ट्रैफिक इतनी होती है हर जगह. वही उस जमाने में ना 20-30 साल पहले was fab. I remember I used to stand with my bag waiting for my school bus, और मैं जहाँ पे आती थी ना, और मेरी बस ऐसे सीधा वो साइड जाती थी, और अगर बस गई, मैंने बस को मिस किया, तो मुझे बस पीछे से दिखाई देती थी. अरे बाबा बस गई, तो मैं भागती थी. पीटी उषा जो भागती थी, वो बस जाती थी, और वो 3-4 ऐसे स्टेशंस पे, लोकेशंस पे जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स होते थे, उनको लेके ना पूरा राउंड मार के मेन रोड पे आती थी. अभी मुझे पता है कि वो बस गई, अभी उसको कम से कम 8 मिनट तो लगेंगे, 8 से 10 मिनट लगेंगे वो सब टूर मार के वहां आते हुए. मैं शॉर्टकट लेके भागो ऐसे भागती थी और मेन रोड पे, बिकॉज अगर घर जाके मम्मी पापा को बोल दिया तो हो गया, फिर कल से और 15 मिनट 20 मिनट पहले उठना पड़ेगा. वहां जाती थी, मेन रोड पे जाती थी, और पसीने 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 होके पैंटिंग खड़ी हो जाती थी. एंड देन मेरे को बस दिखाई देती थी. कितनी बार मुझे गली से बस दिखाई दे रही आते हुए, मैं और मेरी स्पीड बढ़ती थी और मेरी स्पीड बढ़ती थी जाके मेन रोड पे पहुंचने के लिए. बस ऐसे आई, मैं गई. Oh my God, these little experiences and these moments are something I will take to the grave. सिर्फ अगर बीमार होती थी, my father was extremely strict, and since he was a doctor, if I was unwell, कई बार मुझे इंजेक्शन दे के स्कूल भेजते थे कि स्कूल नहीं मिस करना है. उस टाइम कभी मैंने अगर मिस किया तो then he would drop me by car. नहीं तो, और अब कैसे है यहाँ पे हर किसी को एक एक गाड़ी है. तब एक एक गाड़ी नहीं होती थी, तब सबके लिए एक गाड़ी. बचपन में my dad mom never had a driver. My dad would drive me around. So, and to disturb my dad, oh बाप रे, that was another task. कि अन्नू को जाके बोलने को, अन्नू मैंने मिस किया, आप मुझे छोड़ोगे क्या? कौन वहाँ वो जोन में जाएगा? So all these things are, I think today's children, today's youth misses a little bit of that, those times.
Much simpler times, definitely.
Very simple, extremely simple.
And we're glad you could share all these precious memories. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.